Is justice always the verdict?
So, yes, you were under arrest. There's a warrant for your arrest. And the officers are going to get with you on this. 1228. Are you, you're Kenlon Falk? All right, Mr. Falk, you were charged here in 25 CR 1228 with the second degree felony of aggravated assault with a deadly weapon. Do you understand? Which carries with it up to 20 years in prison. Because this was handed up back in September by the grand jury. And this goes on to allege, though, that you were convicted of robbery 2 times in the 252nd District Court on the same day, May 24th, 2002, long ago. After those 2 convictions were final, it is alleged in the indictment that you committed the offense of illegal possession of a controlled substance, a 3rd-degree felony, and you were subsequently convicted of that on February 21st, 2019, also in the 257. So if all of this is true, you are looking at habitual felon status, no less than 25 years, no more than 99 years confinement in prison or life in prison is what you're facing. You understand? So that's what the guy was facing yesterday in yesterday's trial, who got 55 years in prison. You are under arrest at this moment. Do you understand? Yes, you are under arrest. There's a warrant for your arrest. And the officers are going to get with you on this, and they will be able to talk to you about it. But this has popped up, and you got to answer for it. We're gonna make a copy for you so you can have a copy of it. But your bond is revoked due to this warrant. And what was his bond before? What was your bond on this?
I think it was 20,000.
20,000 for habitual felon and committing aggravated assault.
Judge, I believe the issue here is the case was filed and dismissed, and I believe he bonded out on that first filing. And when it was dismissed, there was no warrant, and he didn't bond out on the new indictment. So I believe that's what's happening today.
That's correct. He has no bond on this new indictment.
Yeah.
So he's just make bond.
So,
I don't find this bond enough at $25,000 anyway. Who set the bond? Bad. But you are a habitual felon, sir, and these are 2 prior violent crime convictions, and then a serious illegal possession of a controlled substance, and now this is aggravated assault by threatening to use a deadly weapon, namely a vehicle. So your bond is increased to $100,000. There's a way to avoid all of this, is to not to commit crimes. And if you post a bond, you will be at home confinement. You must have a GPS device. You cannot leave the home except to and from work, most direct route possible, to and from hospital care, to and from acquisition of food. And those are the other purposes. And that's the way it is. Do you have an attorney?
also,
All right. Are you unable to hire somebody? Fill out an indigent form, and an attorney will be appointed to represent you. We'll appoint somebody today from the public defender.
So, sir,
You're taken into custody. That's the rulings of the court.
Sir, can I say something?
No, sir.
My boys in there, my boys in the back.
Sir, your bond is too low. Sir, you are a danger to the community. Your bond is far too low under the circumstances that we have. Plus, there's a warrant for your arrest, and it's not a debate, sir. Follow the rules of the court. Thank you.